Day 7 is cheat day, and it's dinner time, baby. How about some pizza? And for those of you who don't have an oven like us, I'm gonna show you a different way to make it. And obviously you don't want to use the microwave, that just doesn't make good pizza. So first thing we got is our pizza crust. These are just ready-made pizza crusts. I tried finding whole grain ones, I couldn't find any, so we're just gonna use these. All right, let's go with our sauce now. So the sauce you can either make yourself during your prep day, or just get some pre-made sauce like I did here. Today we're trying to make this dinner as fast as possible. Alright, like I said, I don't have an oven, so this pizza's cooked a little differently. We're gonna cook these on our pans. So what we need to do is make sure they're nice and hot before we throw our pizzas in. We're gonna turn these on so they can start heating up for us. We got a little bit of water, you'll see that later. And let's keep making the pizza. Next is the cheese. Next is your toppings. So we're gonna give everybody some onion. We got a little bit of healthy kale. We'll skip on the last two because that's gonna be for the boys. They're probably not gonna want it. Then we got some peppers. And then finally, our pepperoni. Again, like I said, you can use whatever kind of toppings you guys want. We'll start with just one now because this one's hotter. Got a little spray, a little stick. And on goes the pizza. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fry it on just like this for about maybe 30 seconds or so. Then we're gonna add a little bit of water and cover it so this steams and the cheese melts. Pick up there. I can smell that the pizza crust burning a little bit, so we're just gonna put the water in now. Not gonna wait more. And now we're just gonna let all the water cook out so that the crust gets dry again. We'll get to the plates. All right, this one's cooking a lot hotter, so we're gonna switch these off. See what it's looking like so far. See, all our cheese is melted. Do it a little bit more. All right, now we're gonna do the same with this one. A little bit of water. All right, let's check our first pizza. Looks good. Show you guys what the bottom looks like.
Oh no.
Okay, we gotta keep going to the next one. Let's go, keep moving. Time's running out. Next pizza in. Check our second one. Give it a little shake. Okay, keep moving, we gotta keep moving. Old switcheroo again. Hit it with a little bit of water. And our lid. Okay, let's check our pizza. You take a look. What's it look like? Ooh. Nice, like fire burnt almost, right? Now we got the kids' pizza. Bit of water. So obviously, as you can see, it doesn't matter what kind of environment you're cooking in and what equipment you have. As long as you have a good idea, you can put it together.